Hey, uh, I thought I would make a new video on symbolic links because I watched that video that we recorded on TeamViewer and the audio was breaking up and it's hard to hear what I'm saying because I keep cutting in and out and you keep cutting in and out because TeamViewer wasn't set up right or whatnot. But anyway, so I'm cleaning up my symbolic links. So I thought, well, I might as well record a new video while I'm doing it, and that'll kind of give you a quick tutorial to refer to on when you want to create and delete symbolic links. So I'm mainly doing this because I had symbolic links everywhere and I was having a hard time tracking them down or whatnot. So I kind of wanted to put them all into a nice, neat little folder. So what I did was, this is my SSD. What I did was I created a folder just called symbolic links and I put it in parentheses so that way it always appears up at the top, so that way anything that I symbolically link I can easily find it. So I created a symbolic links folder. You can create any folder that you want to, but this is just what I did. So I created that folder, and if you see, I already have the Witcher 2 in there, but we're gonna transfer over. We're gonna symbolically link Dark Souls, which is right here. It's in my mechanical drive program file, Steam Apps Common, and it's sitting right there. So basically, we want to start by clicking Start and typing CMD, and that'll bring up the command prompt exe. So you just click on that, and I'll move this down here so you can see that. All right, so first thing we need to type out is mklink space /j and then space, and then you want to start a quotation. Now this this first set of quotations needs to be the original location of the file or folder. So the original location of the file or folder is in my Steam apps. But since it's the entire folder itself, what we have to do is double click on that folder so that way we can get the entire original location name up in the location bar. So once again, just double click on it and then click up at the top in the location, and that'll tell you the entire location, the entire original location. So you just right click, if it's highlighted, just right click on that and hit copy, and then you come back down to your command prompt and then start a quotation, right click, paste, end a quotation, and then hit space. So that is the original location of the file or folder that we're about to symbolically link. So now that we have that finished, we're halfway through the command prompt section. So now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and transfer the folder over to the SSD. So you need to come back out and right click on the folder and hit cut, and then go to the section. Like I said, I have symbolic links as the folder, but go over to your SSD, right click and hit paste, and that'll cut from the mechanical hard drive and then paste on the SSD. And this shouldn't take too long. It's only 4 gig. Yeah. All right, so now that's finished transferring. So you'll see that Dark Souls does not exist in the Steam apps folder. So it only exists in the SSD. So that means if we reloaded up Steam right now and tried to run Dark Souls, it would say, I can't find it. I don't know what you're talking about. I know you have it installed, but it's not there. I don't know where it's at. So this is where we create the link telling the mechanical hard drive that it actually exists on the SSD, and it's pretty easy. All you do is pretty much repeat what we did over here by double clicking on the folder, clicking up in the location bar, and this is the new location. So we need to right click and copy that new location, come back down, and we want to start a new quotation. So we have the original location in the first set of quotations, and the second set of quotations we want the new location. So start a new quotation, right click, paste, and then we end quotations, and then just hit enter. And then you'll notice it created a shortcut to Dark Souls Prepare to Die Edition. So even though it actually exists on the SSD, if we double click on this shortcut, it'll take us right to it. So now if you pull up Steam and try to run Dark Souls, it will go straight to this shortcut thinking it's a folder, and then go in. It won't double click on it, but it'll go into that folder and automatically be linked to the SSD. So that's how you link it, and then that's it. All you have to do is just close it out, and it's linked and it's done. But say, for instance, you want to transfer back to your mechanical hard drive. Say you want to free up some space on the SSD, and you don't want to transfer back, and you want to transfer back to your mechanical hard drive. It's pretty easy. All you do is go to the mechanical hard drive, go to the shortcut link, the symbolic link, and just hit delete on the keyboard. Or here, I'll just show you. Right click, delete. Yes. Now it's gone. Now all we have to do is come back to our SSD, right click, cut, right click, and then go back to the mechanical hard drive, right click, and then paste. And that puts it right back into its original spot. Pretty easy. So it's pretty much just a reverse of what we did without all of the command prompt stuff. So once that transfers, it'll be just like it never left. So, alright, hopefully that's pretty clear and pretty short and concise. So, alright, have fun. Bye.